protection of the environment and other areas of human commitment. Nigeria has a team of dedicated group for the welfare, particularly health, of our nation.
The Rotary volunteers, Your Excellency, contributed at least $14 million from their contributions through WHO to finance some of the work that is going on. So it's not just volunteering their time, but their talent and their treasures.
And so this project is proving itself, this project is working, and hopefully over the coming years this project can be scaled up and made larger to cover even more parts of Nigeria, to ensure that the children of Nigeria